What's up, guys? It's Leo here from One Technology, and today I just want to show you how to use one of my favorite features in iOS, and that is how to get the iPad to read to you. Now, to enable this, we have to go to Settings, then on Settings, we hit Accessibility, then we go to, from Accessibility, we go to Spoken Content, and Spoken Content, we'll select Speak Selection, and the second one down too, because that's another feature I want to show you. Now, to get it to work, we just go online. We go to any website you like. I like Wikipedia. A lot of people use that for information. They have tons of articles. So here we can just hit English. We can choose the article of the day, open it up. Now, if you start reading like this, it's gonna read everything on the screen from the top here, on the side menus, all the extra content. So you want to enable this little option over here on the address bar. We're gonna hit the double A, and it's gonna bring this little menu drop down. From here, we're gonna hit show reader view. Now it's gonna narrow it down to just the content of the article. Now once here, we're gonna take two fingers and we're gonna go above on the bezel itself, drag down, and then this thing comes up.
Wikipedia.org. Secure and validated connection.
You can move it
Louisiana
around.
Purchase sesquicentennial half
And now
dollar.
the iPad's reading to you.
Louisiana Purchase
You
sesquicentennial
can always
half
stop
dollar
it by going like
was a
this. This feature is great. You can use it on text messages. You can use it on your email. You can use it on anything else. But the best part about it is that you don't have to get it to read the whole thing. If you just select some, if you go here and you hold your finger and select some text, you automatically get the option to speak. Then you can hit
Purchase
that,
sesquicentennial half dollar was a proposed.
and it will just read what you selected. All right, so this is it for today's tutorial. If you like it, you can go on my social media and get more tutorials like this.